Welcome back. A big clash of titans. It was a clash between Rajinikanth and Ajit in Tamil Nadu as both their films have gone to theatres. Today, celebrations across Tamil Nadu would spill to Mumbai as well. The fans celebrated with drums, crackers. Thalaiva's Petta is up against actor Ajit's Vishwasam just 4 days ahead of Pongal. Karthik Subbaraja's film Petta has been promoted as a trademark Rajinikanth film. Ajit's Vishwasam has been marketed as a family entertainer. Petta director took to Twitter to thank fans for the overwhelming response. Actress Simran and Rajinikanth's brother-in-law team Petta. The makers of Petta also released a new poster early this morning that instantly went viral on social.
Your first reactions on the movie?
Extremely happy, very emotional, and so happy. Thank you.
Ma'am, the audience have been responding really well. They've been dancing for every sequence. How did you feel?
Very excited. I'm always a part of the audience. I've been watching with them for so many years, 40 years now. It's really exciting. Thank you.
First day, first show, ma'am.
Yes.
And this is something that doesn't happen quite often.
Yes, I'm seeing the 4 o'clock show for the first time. Yeah.
And the experience here at the Rohini Theatre?
Superb, thank you.
How is Thalaiva reacting to the movie? How is he expecting the movie?
He hasn't seen it as yet, yes.
When is he planning to see it? I have with me Malvika Mohan, who was part of Petta. Congratulations, the movie was brilliant. The first day, first show, the reception has been incredible. How was the experience watching it with the fans on the first day, first show?
This is my first time watching a first day, first show in Chennai. So it's been a mad experience. I didn't expect it to be like this for sure, and I really enjoyed watching the film. It was the first time I was watching the film as well.
And you have a lot of screen space with Rajinikanth. That's a big opportunity for people. And how was the experience working with him? How did you enjoy it?
I really enjoyed it. I think it's one of the highlights of my career so far, working with him. Yeah.
Is he tough to work with?
Not at all. He's the easiest person I've ever worked with, and so sweet and so encouraging.
India today, how did you enjoy the movie?
I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Happy Pongal, and it's a dream come true moment. Thank you.
How do you feel it? I mean, you have grown up watching him. How do you feel it?
Very proud moment. Very proud.
Seems to be ruling the
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Very happy. I hope you all enjoy the film, and happy Pongal to all.
So how do you feel?
Ecstatic, man. Ecstatic. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm childhood fan of Rajini sir. I like it very much, Rajini sir. Today, almost 40 years, first day, first show watching the Rajini sir movie. Full fans enjoyment.
Vishwasam was actually very nice. It was a very good family entertainer. And I hope it's going to be a blockbuster, and waiting to watch Petta. I hope I get tickets for Petta as well. Actually, we are the Rajini fans are as well Ajit fans, and Ajit fans are as well Rajini sir fans. So it's like a celebration for both Rajini sir and Ajit sir. So I guess it is going to be a festival celebration for both the fans.
In fact, here is Akshaya getting you a review of Petta, what she thought of the film. First day, first show.
The movie does have some dialogues which have political undertone, like the one where he talks about the land rights of people and also talking about an end to those who are trying to create chaos in the society. Well, the movie is a masala entertainer with many punch dialogues that all the Rajini fans would enjoy. After films like Kabali, Kala and 2.0, well, we see that Petta is that kind of a film which would remind his audiences, his fans, of the Pasha days. Well, Rajinikanth has been the out-and-out superstar for the film, and the only disappointing factor would be the fact that both Trisha and Simran, two of the important leading ladies of the movie, don't really have much of the screen presence. Well, the song sequences of the movie also need a special mention. Well, the Peppy number is something that has been enjoyed by every single individual who was there in the theatre. Well, Karthik Subbaraj has managed to give a perfect masala film of Rajinikanth, which has the right kind of sentiments and also humor and a lot of Rajni in it. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshaya Nath for India Today.
Big Pongal releases this year, Petta and Vishwasam, yet it's the Thalaiva movie, as you can see, which seems to be getting a lot of people to the theatre. The scales are tipped equally in favour of Rajinikanth and Ajit. Only time will tell who wins this battle. Let's take a look at what these two are all about.
Kamal Haasan may have once again announced his retirement from acting, post-Shankar's Indian 2. But his political and professional rival, Rajinikanth, looks like he has no decision to retire from making blockbusters anytime soon.
Alright, joining us now are two of my colleagues, Lokpriya and Shalini. Shalini, outside Woodlands Theatre. What have you managed to watch and who seems to have their nose ahead, Shalini? And please don't let your personal favourites colour your judgment here.
Well, Padmaja, right now outside Woodlands Theatre there's no crowd, but there are a lot of vehicles parked, and these vehicles are for the houseful shows that Woodlands has been having since morning. Now in the morning, you know, from 4 a.m. onwards, there have been face-offs in front of the Woodlands Theatre between the Rajini fans and the Ajit fans, and interestingly, there were no fights. It was a healthy competition between the two as to who will go for the first day, first show. Because it's a Pongal weekend, it's a long weekend, everyone is going to watch both movies. Might not be the first day, first show for both, but today they'll watch a Peta, tomorrow they'll watch a Vishwasam. That's how it is. Now, as far as Peta is concerned, Rajini does indeed have a large lead, because at Woodlands Theatre is where we had a couple get married today in the morning. Two Rajini fans came together and got married. There are Rajini flags over here. There are a lot of balloons, Rajini balloons that were put into place. There were milk abhishekams in the morning. And what was very interesting is that the Rajini fans would pour the milk over the Rajini poster and then come and pour milk over the Ajit posters as well. So in short, actually all of them love their heroes. Tamil Nadu loves their heroes. And Ajit and Rajini, both of them as well. You know, when we're speaking to director Shiva, when I spoke to him, he did say that it's not competition. It's a healthy combination that this Pongal we give two movies. One is Peta and the other one is Vishwasam. And for Ajit fans, they're getting to see him after a year and a half. So there's a lot of excitement. And in fact, if you see the people coming to watch his movies, many of them are wearing the red shirt and the white veshti, which is what Ajit wears in the movie. Very happy with their new clothes, running in to watch Vishwasam. And by the looks of it, both the movies are doing very well today.
Okay. In fact, Lokpriya is also with us. Lokpriya, what are the kind of reactions that you are picking up, and who seems to be the crowd favourite where you are?
Well, Padmaja, just like how Shalini was pointing out, this is a healthy competition in Kollywood film industry. Better the movies, better the fans are. And this is, everyone talks about the clash of titans, but this is what fans enjoy the most. It is celebration of Tamil cinema, the fact that two of superstars movie releasing on the same day. And this is happening after a very long time. The fact that another actor's movie is releasing alongside a Rajinikanth's film. So in that sense, it is a treat for cinema lovers, and Tamil cinema lovers are lapping it up, and both the fans of actor actor Ajit as well as actor Rajini are watching the movies in a back-to-back show. And this being a Pongal weekend with about 6 days of holiday, all the theatres have tickets that are sold out, and fans are watching the movie back-to-back. So it's a complete festival treat for the fans. Peta versus Vishwasam, very hard to choose, but both the fans watching both these movies, Padmaja.
With me, Shalini and Lokpriya, Rajinikanth, of course, needs no introduction. The actor is worshipped by his fans, as was quite apparent all of today morning. After delivering a blockbuster with his 2.0, Thalaiva has returned to screens with Peta. India today tries to decode, I don't know if it's possible or not, but at least we try to decode the Rajinikanth phenomenon.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.